Okay, guys, today we're gonna go to the fair. We're gonna scream our rides, and we're gonna see what happens.
Alright, let's do this.
Do that again.
Hey, you only live once.
Yeah, you only live once.
Yeah, this is the last time you got there. You know what I learned going
Don't scare the kid. Now you scared me.
Somebody get me up.
English or Spanish? First one to move is gay.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my! Oh my! No, what the? No! Oh my! Oh my! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my god! Oh my gosh! Oh my! Oh my gosh! No, what? No!
Are you ready? Where are they going? Hey, JP. You ready?
Oh my! English and Spanish!
I have to fart. I have to fart. I just farted.
Squishing my balls. I'm like, keep it pushing, big guy. Keep it pushing.
I'm Dominic. Let me out! Let me out!
Yo, my seatbelt wasn't in.
Yo!
Yeah, my seatbelt wasn't in.
Yo! Oh, I thought I was locked in, guys.
My seatbelt wasn't in.
Your seatbelt wasn't in. Yo! You're cooked, Calvin. Oh my gosh! Dude, that was scary.
Are you scared?
I think you wanna go get naked and wrestle?
I lost my glasses.
Hey guys! Guys! All of you! English or Spanish? That bullshit, not even scary. This way. Yeah, you go. Alright. Oh! Oh my gosh! Yep. This way. No. Oh my gosh. Trying to guide you through, bro. Yo. This way. No. Oh, thank you. Okay, guys. The video is kind of short. We didn't really do much, but we have more in the works. Buy merch.
Better keep it cool, cause this shit could get ugly. Remember I was dead broke, now I got some money. Feds on my trail, I ain't going for the country. Never tell my tale, I want war, boy, I love you. Knew you was a hoe, you want smoke about a hoe, huh? Never tell a lie, but I might tell you a joke, huh? F430 in that ride doing donuts. How about with a